Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve referral networks with LinkedIn easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your industry or niche. Press enter to see the search results. On the left side, filter your results by selecting people. Look for profiles of individuals within your desired network. Send personalized connection requests to these individuals. In your message, briefly introduce yourself and explain why you would like to connect. Once they accept your request, engage with their content regularly. Like, comment, and share their posts to strengthen your relationship. Join relevant LinkedIn groups related to your industry. Participate actively by sharing insights and asking questions. Start building relationships by sending direct messages to group members. Share valuable content that addresses common challenges in your field. Ask for introductions from your connections to expand your network further. Identify mutual contacts who might be willing to refer you. Schedule virtual coffee meetings to deepen relationships with your connections. Keep your profile updated with your latest achievements and projects. Utilize the Open to Work feature if you're looking for new opportunities. Assess the strengths and weaknesses of your current referral network. Regularly review and adjust your strategy to improve outreach. Maintain professional communication and build trust over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.